Hey everyone, I have today a pretty cool charger. This is the ZECHIN Samba pad, which is a 2-in-1 wireless charger, one of which can be a pull-out stand for your MagSafe compatible iPhone. But first, let's take a look at what it looks like brand new and what you get straight out of the packaging. So you do get a proprietary charger, as you can see here, the instruction booklet, which goes over the functionality as well as some of the LEDs and what they mean. And then, of course, the star of the show, the actual charging pad that has some protective film on both of the wireless charging surfaces. So what you get is a very nice premium solid feeling product. The one for the MagSafe charging actually has kind of a more rubberized textured soft touch to it, so that even if your device doesn't have MagSafe like my iPhone 11 here but does have wireless charging, it's actually kind of still able to stay up as long as you angle the stand that it's not too steep. They advertise the MagSafe charging stand to be compatible with iPhones that have MagSafe, for example my iPhone 13 mini here, and also with cases that support MagSafe. So you can see once I put my iPhone on it, it has that MagSafe animation showing that it is using the MagSafe technology to align the magnets for the optimal wireless charging. And I'm also able to rotate it as needed, so if I wanted to, say, watch a video or do something else on my iPhone while it's charging, I can do that. I also tried this with a non-MagSafe case. I know they didn't advertise it to be compatible. So what I noticed is that the MagSafe stand is still able to wirelessly charge my phone through this non-MagSafe case, but it just doesn't really detect it as MagSafe, and of course it might have some slipping issues depending on the type of case you have. The glossy black surface next to it is able to wirelessly charge devices as well. It's only rated at 5 watts output for that particular pad, so it's really only ideal for charging smaller devices like your AirPods that's compatible to be charged wirelessly, because otherwise your phone will charge pretty slowly. The mag stand is able to output at 10 watts, however. Charging speeds aside, I did find it a little bit difficult to get the right alignment so that it would charge my phone. For example, I'm just kind of fiddling back and forth here with my iPhone 11, trying to figure out where is the actual charging coil to charge my device. One nice feature about this black charging pad is that it has these LEDs in a circle that will stay solid if it is actively charging a device, whether through the MagSafe stand or via the actual flat wireless charging pad. And right now I'm charging something that actually cannot be wirelessly charged. This is the first gen Apple AirPods. So you can see that the lights around it doesn't show up. If it does, it's just kind of flashing to indicate that, hey, you have something that is not able to be charged on here. Though I do wish that the lights were located somewhere else, because obviously if you have a big enough device, it's going to cover the whole pad and there's no way of seeing these LED lights anyways. But of course the main feature here is that pull-out MagSafe stand. It has a friction-based, very sturdy stainless steel hinge that is easy to pull out and adjust the angle, and also to snap back into its compact state, in which you can easily fit into a backpack or even in a pocket if you have deep enough pockets. But there's a little caveat with this design, because the charger that it comes with is pretty bulky. The prongs don't even fold down, and in fact it takes up pretty much 2 outlet spaces on my power strip here. So I'm not too sure what they were thinking there. And they made it proprietary, so the port isn't something like micro USB or even USB Type-C where I can just use my own cable to my choosing. No, I gotta use their proprietary cable, so the whole portableness kind of goes down a little bit when I have to carry around their bulky proprietary cable. But if you're not constantly taking this on the go, it's definitely a non-issue. I still really like the stand. I think the design and the craftsmanship is top notch. The steel and black coloring I think will match pretty much anyone's desk setup. So if you're interested in this product, as usual, I'll have the link in the description.